One day, a professor walked into the classroom and told the students that they would have a surprise test today. The students felt a mix of curiosity and worry as they took their seats and got ready for the surprise test. The professor handed out the test papers and told everyone to keep the sheets face down until everyone had received one. Once all the sheets were handed out, the professor asked the students to turn the sheets over. To their surprise, there were no questions on the paper. Instead, the students saw just a blank sheet with a single black dot in the center. The students looked confused and looked at each other, trying to figure out its meaning. Seeing their reactions, the professor addressed the class. "I want you to write about what you see on the paper." Even though they were confused, the students started to write, trying to understand the strange task. At the end of the exam, the professor gathered all the papers and began reading the answers loudly, one by one. As he read, it was clear that every student had only written about the black dot on the paper, describing where it was and what it might mean. After he finished reading, the professor addressed the silent classroom and said, "I am not going to grade this test. I wanted to give you something to think about. All of you had a white paper in front of you, with a small black dot on it, but none of you wrote about the white part of the paper. Everyone just focused on the black dot." Then he continued, "You see, our lives are just like a sheet of paper. Our lives are mostly filled with white paper. There is so much room to enjoy and appreciate things, but we often focus on the black dots, which are problems and setbacks in our lives. We have a lot to be grateful for. We have nature around us that refreshes us every day. We have friends who stand by us. We have jobs that support us, and our family, and many other blessings. But instead, we usually worry about the small health problems we have, not having enough money to pay for what we want, problems in relationships, or the letdowns we face when things don't go the way we want. Therefore, it is important to recognize and appreciate the good things, even if they seem small or ordinary. Whether it is a peaceful walk in the park, a good book, love shared with a friend, or simply a quiet moment for ourselves, these are worth noticing and cherishing. By shifting our focus from the black dots to the white space, we can find more happiness and satisfaction in our daily life. The professor's words struck a chord with the students. He went on to say, "The dark spots are actually very small compared to everything else in our lives, but they are what we often focus on and let bother us. We should try to pay more attention to the bigger and brighter parts of our lives, be thankful for the good things, and enjoy every moment that life offers. Aim to live so fully and joyfully that your legacy becomes a beacon of happiness and inspiration to others." If we see our lives, we will find that our lives are just like a sheet of white paper with a black dot. We all face some problems and challenges in our lives, but there are also a lot of good things around us that we might not notice. However, these problems do need our attention, but they should not overshadow all the positive things we have. Often, we only appreciate what we have after seeing someone who does not have the same things. For instance, seeing someone without a home can remind us to be thankful for our own. Likewise, meeting someone who is blind can make us grateful for our sight. It is common for us to overlook our blessings until we come across someone who is missing them. Our minds tend to focus on problems, but we can train them to see the good things in our lives as well. Choosing to focus on the positive aspects of our lives can really change how we see the world. This does not mean we ignore our problems or pretend they are not there. Instead, it means we acknowledge them, but don't let them dominate our thoughts and feelings. We try to maintain a balanced approach, giving as much or more attention to the positive as to the negative. This way of thinking can significantly improve our mental and emotional health. It fosters gratitude, which boosts happiness and reduces stress. It strengthens our resilience, making it easier for us to deal with life's challenges, and encourages a positive outlook that can lead to a more rewarding and happy life. So let us appreciate the white space in our lives and embrace the beauty and blessings each day brings into our lives. If you enjoyed this story, please consider subscribing to VidGrowth and sharing your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your insights and any stories. Until next time, be positive and keep moving forward.